Happy Friday to my 3,700 plus subscribers and all you folks out there in YouTube world. And in case you don't know me, my name is Tyler Grant and I work in sales at Trunkholly Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cumming, Georgia. But I am not there at the moment. I'm actually just down the road at Precision Window Tint getting the front windows on this brand new Ram 1500 RHO. They are going to be tinted, and that is right there. Let's see if I can point. That's Drew. His name is Drew Van Zylen, and he is the guy that I have trusted for a very long time to tint windows. But not only does he do that, he does paint protective film, he does paint correction, he does ceramic coating, and he does an excellent top-notch job. I will always refer him first before anybody. Without babbling anymore, I'm just going to walk around the truck real quick. You'll see Drew at work. He may wave, he may say something, he may not, but this is just to show what he does and the work that he does. So let's get the camera flipped around. So I got to tell you, this truck was fun to drive coming down here. It has hands-free active driving assist, and I gave it a shot, and it was a little weird, but also fun. So here is Drew getting the tint on the front passenger window. And there's something that I really like about his tint job that I think I've told him in the past, is the gap that is between the tint and the top of the window is just about minimized. You almost can't tell that the windows are tinted, which is how anybody would ever want their windows tinted. A lot of times you'll see a little gap on that edge. Such a pretty truck, and it's soon going to be going to detail. But he's got everything all ready, and I think there was a story out there about a guy who fixed was it an aircraft carrier or a great big ship? He fixed it with a hammer by just tapping in a spot, and he charged an awful lot of money for it. And the people who hired him to work for him, or hired him to work for them, were upset with what he charged because of how little he did to fix the ship. And he said, "You're right, it only took 10 minutes to fix the ship, but it took 30 years to gain the experience." Now, what Drew does is excellent work, and he is fast, but he's also fair. So he's not going to be charging dealership prices to tint the front windows. So if you need to reach Drew, let's see if I can recite his number in my memory. 404-718-1004? 719 404-719-1004. That's how you reach Drew. And if you're looking for a new Chrysler Dodge Jeep or Ram vehicle, hit me up. You're always welcome to call me at 470-296-1778. And like my video, subscribe to my channel, because the next video that I do, be it a test drive or one of the vehicles that's traded into us, or maybe even a new one, might be the one that you're looking for. And you can reach me that way. Just keep a watch on the channel, and that way you can stay up to date on what we have for sale. Any instructional videos on how to operate stuff in your Chrysler Dodge Jeep or Ram vehicle, like this hands-free active driving assist. And that's going to do it. So hope everybody enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one. Have a great weekend.